free of charge. Just again. Yeah, music please. Come all the way to the front. Don't go to the back. There's so many passengers behind you. Yeah. The last one, if you don't mind, you can sit on the doorway. Yeah, the last one. And now you can sit on the middle. Yeah, I can see that with the benches. Yes, thank you. Welcome, become a VIP. Yeah, have a seat, please. And no, don't change the seat. Have a seat, please. Yeah. Or you have to sit on the middle. Yeah, come to the front. That's great. Again, now let's turn around and say goodbye to my friends on the door. Goodbye. And keep waving. Bye-bye. Yep, because you may never see them again. Welcome to the world famous gender breakfast. I'm your skipper today. My name is Winnie. Hello. Yeah, so before we start our training, for your own safety, please keep your hands, arms, legs inside the boat. Take care of the trainers. Remain seated and don't eating or drinking on my boat. Alright, so are you ready? Thanks for the band. Can't hear you. Are you guys ready? Yeah, that's it. Alright, here we go. Okay, first take a look. Wow, it's nothing there. Yeah, it's nothing. Okay, guys, and yeah, to work inside the beautiful treehouse, nice and treehouse. Alright, but the train's closed today. So the second question, please raise your hands who know how to swim. Swimming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Wait a second, I have only one life jacket. Some of you don't know how to swim, but you join the jungle cruise? No way. Wow, I'm a yes, brother's elephant, my baby's elephant. Oh, those look like the mother teaching her to learn how to use the smoke. Oh, the brother's elephant is taking a shower. No. Look at those legs. I think he's already been there long time long. Can you hear that? Yeah, it's for the elephant. The elephant is ready. Just after 3, 2, 1. Nothing happened. Yeah, gotcha. It's my favorite part. No, wait a second. Where am I? Wow, guys, look. Yes, big spider. And I never seen that before. No, I'm in the bunker. Snake. Yeah, the most dangerous snake of the world. The king cobra. They will try to bite you. And can. And the cobra's still looking at you. Hold your breath. You have to go right now. Yes, I'm very out of the dangers. Alright, no worries. I'm here. And the big crocodiles. Watch out. We call them crocodile. You know what they call us? Lunch. Yeah. Don't let the crocodile scare you. Yeah, but put away your crocodile skin barrier. No, it's the cam of the international. Where's my scientist? Alright, wearing the yellow clothes. You look like a banana, so watch out. Wow, explorer, sketcher. No. There's no banana. Stop it. They're holding a gun. Wow, that's so weird. And welcome to African forests. Yeah, so many animals are playing with the giraffe and zebras, elephants, again, great crashes. Anybody know the difference between the female and the male zebras? No, alright, the answer is the female zebra black with white stripe, the male zebra white with black stripe. Okay, that's made no difference, I got it. And they're the most biggest animal bangles. Yes, who's behind you? Wow, his wife. Oh, his body low. Stop waiting, by the way. We are very slowly entering the dangerous hippo pool. Yeah, they have 6,000 pounds. Look at that bubble. Take it home if you're low. Climax, my friends, breaking. Oh, that's a there he is. Yeah. We have one dead, guys. We call him Dr. Shack. He's from Hong Kong in the most famous. Alright, so guys, let's say hello to them. Hi! Oh no, they have some troubles now. Should we help? Yes. Yes, alright, who's it? Yes, hi! Show me your hands. Yeah, thank you. Ladies, okay, you go, I stay. Oh, you don't want to go now? Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. The rescue boy is coming. Hold on. said goodbye. Oh, it's a friend is local just hold a small face and I hear the music from there. And it was here. Hello. Say opa. Ni hao. Konnichiwa. Annyeonghaseyo. What's going on? Oh no, hey, are you okay? Yes, alright. It's for the bag. Everything alright? Thank you so much, so on behalf of the Drinking and Vacation Company, thank you for joining us. I'm so happy to report with clear sitting all the way back to the door. Yes, thank you so much. Now oh, guys, that's so cool. You know, no more shaking. Wow, it's like the legendary canyon of the god. Our device just broke away. Can we back it up? Wow. Alright, let's back it up. Happy birthday. Alright, let's try this one. After 3, 2, 1. Wow. We're still alive. Yeah, we're making it. I lost my jobs. Oh, no, wait, you said your baby is Allison. Is that really you? No way, so cute, yeah. Okay, so before we back to the dog, you want to reminder, be careful your hands up, send your elbow, give it inside the bowl. Oh, be careful, hands inside, yes. I'll give you a bowl to princess next to the seat, thank you. Yeah, thank you so much, okay, and also be careful your hands, just give it inside the bowl, thank you so much. Alright, and say goodbye to baby's office, goodbye. Yeah, it's great. That's so brave and really jobs. Hope you guys enjoy this journey. My name is Winnie. I just Winnie, not Winnie the Pooh. And now first I'm gonna start my bus. Thank you for coming and thank you for your loving. Okay, if you didn't love it all, then thank you for your leaving. After 3, 2, and finally 1, and my bus stop. It's time to say goodbye. Bye. Hey, once you step by to get my head. And if you bump your hands, my language, okay? See you next time. Watch your step, break step you go. Have a magical day in Hong Kong today. It's so hot, right? Okay, bye-bye. Yeah, I know the winter time.